Hi friends, today we are here in Johnson's Ranch. Now the time is 8:51. We came here because we thought of doing a longer trail. Today we are starting from here, and we are going to take the Johnson's Ranch loop. It will take us to this part where we have to start from here to the Irish Hills. So it is a long. It will take to the Filipponi Ranch connector, and then it will take us to the Irish Hills. Irish Hills, where we are going to end up is like behind the Costco. So we will reach there where Rabbi used to go for Costco bike jumps. So we will reach there. It is a lot of. It will take a lot of time. My understanding, what Rabbi said, is like it may take at least 2 hours to walk from here to there, but let's see how it goes, so that his guesstimate is correct. We'll see that. And today, so we were dropped here at the Johnson's Ranch, and we will go to Costco bike place, and then from there we'll walk back to our home, because we were dropped here, and we will not be coming back to the Johnson's Ranch starting point, open space. So that's the plan. So it will be a very good. The cloud, it's really sunny, and the temperature is around 63 degree, and it's very good climate. It is a very good climate for us to walk. So I hope we will definitely enjoy. I would like all of you to watch this video, like, share and subscribe this video, and put your feedback and comments of what we are doing today. We are mainly doing these things. I believe this is good for our health, and I want all of you to watch, and all of you all around the places and world, it is good to do a regular exercise and keep your health. So please do something at these hard times. So it's very important. And yeah, let's go forward, and we'll take this route from here, and we will catch up in between, because it's a long trail. We will catch up in between and take our additional set of pages. So let's see how it goes. So we have covered almost 10 minutes. And this is the spot where we reach. This is the first spot where we are going to take a deviation. This is one road where I think we can go towards Johnson's Ranch connector. This is the road to Johnson's Ranch connector, and this is the Johnson's Ranch trail. So we are going to take this trail. So we have seen a lot of people today in the morning. We saw people, family. We saw elder people coming out for walking, and we saw individuals going in bike. So it's a lot of good things happening on a Sunday morning. So it's good. So we'll take this route, and this is the route towards Irish Hills. So this is the trail that we came through. I just wanted to show you the direction that we are going to take. So this is the trail that we are going to take, and we are going to cover this trail like this, and we are going to come to that trail up here.
You're gonna go behind the hill right here, and then
This
take
one?
a right on the bridge.
This one?
Yeah, there's a
Okay, this
right
bridge there. Okay.
Yeah, go that way, and then you'll go up into there,
Okay.
and then you'll go up again.
Okay,
And then you have
then-
to take a sharp right, and then
Okay.
go that way up there, and then behind there, you have to go straight, and
Okay.
then go up a little bit, and then go down, and then go up again.
Yeah, I see two bikers going up
Yeah.
there.
That way.
Do you see that? Okay. So it's a very long trail. Yeah, Abhay might be correct. We might take 2 hours. Let's see. Let's enjoy and walk. And at some spot, I think we can come back, right? We can come back through this trail back to the Johnson's Ranch starting point, but we are not going to take that. Okay, very good. Let's go. I'm so happy to see a lot of people, not in the sense not thousands of people, but at least we saw 15 to 20 people walking on these trails, people getting engaged themselves using their bikes. So that is good, that is very nice. Show you the biggest spider that we saw on the way. Very good shade, left.
Yeah.
Good shade. A good place to walk. We are sitting closer to the spot where we have to take the deviation, right?
Yeah.
I think there's a signal there. This is the Johnson's Ranch Trail. And should we go this side?
Yeah.
So this is the trail to Filiponi Ranch to Irishels. So we are going to take this route. That is the route back to the Johnson's Ranch. And we are taking this route. So we can go to Irishels. I think most of the people stay within the Johnson's Ranch Trail. I think nobody tries from here till Irishels walking. So we are just giving a try to see how good the experience is. most of the people go to that Johnson's Ranch Trail and complete their trail back to the parking lot. On the way, there's a good bench for you to relax, enjoy, have some time to be comfortable here enough to continue the rest of the trail. We have almost completed 40 minutes now. So it is really good. It is 40 minutes now to reach this spot. We didn't take much breaks other than taking like small videos in between. But 40 minutes walking is a good timing to cover from that spot where is a parking lot to this spot. At least like when we were there, we spotted 2 bikes going through this place. So it's a good place, and if you see the sceneries around, you will see the highway here. You can see the highway here, and you can see the San Luis Obispo city from here. That is a flag. There is a flag here, US flag, which was hosted on the TV channel place. So it's good. There is a farmland here, very nice. You will see the highway on that side too. So it's a very good view from here, very nice. Hello. So you can see like people biking on these trails. It is really good to see people biking on these trails.
I have no clue.
So we have reached almost 1 hour. Now it is 9:49. We started by around 8:51, and almost 1 hour we have walked. This is a very good spot. It was a very good trail to walk. We have a lot more to cover. We have to take this route, the place the 2 bikers are going. I think we have to cover all this trail up, go up the mountain, and then go down to Irish Hills. So it's another, maybe as Abhay said, it is correct, maybe another 1 hour. So let's see how it goes. Not tired. It is good as of now. We had some water in between, but we are not that tired. Like we should be able to cover the rest of the trail without any issues. That's what it looks like. We are here. There is a direction here. This is Filiponi Ranch to Irish Hills. This is the spot here, written here. So this is the right direction for us to go. There's a trail walking place here too, but
I don't think you're supposed to go.
yeah, this is not a right place. It's a restricted area. So we will go through this way and try to complete the rest of the trail. We are enjoying. I hope all of you are also enjoying the trail walking with us. So please continue to watch. Let's see how it goes. This is a small building, small house, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have covered now 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's 10:07 now. We started at 8:51. We saw 2 bikers going that way. I was trying to stand here, look at the spot on that direction where the bikers would have reached. I couldn't spot them. Hopefully they have reached the whole Johnson's trail. It is good that we are here. It is like, you see this view. Where you want to show that? So those are the trails that we walk through. So those are the trails that we walk through. and we came this spot. We took the last video from that spot. That's the spot where we took the last video, and we walked all the way through this spot. And we are going to this direction. It's almost, as I said, 1 hour 15 minutes. I am trying to see whether I can complete this whole trial in the estimated time that Abhay said. Let's see how soon we can reach there. We'll try our best. I don't know how far it is to complete, but we'll try our best. And if you see there is a highway. You can see the highway from here. You can see the highway from here. And in this trail there are a lot of rods. And Abhay, you said you went up this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be really hard. It's really hard to climb up on these trails. It's really hard to climb up the trail because of the rock. But I see a lot of people are trying their bikes up this trail. I have not seen anybody walking on this trail till now. I don't think so anybody walks on this trail. Definitely, it is not a trail, simple or medium trail. It is a little tough. I would say it is what more than intermediate trail. So kids cannot walk in this trail. Kids, small kids, cannot walk in this.
They can, it just will be difficult.
It's very difficult, yeah. So I think like we have reached almost nearer to our Irish Hills. You see here, this is the walking trail that we are going. That trail, I believe, that is a trail where we walked down to that spot where we used to come and sit. Right, Abhay?
Yeah.
So from there it is like maybe another 5-10 minutes back to Irish Hills. So I think we are like 60-70%.
Yeah.
Okay, we are 70% done on this trail. So this is very good, very nice. We can see on the other side of this particular hill, we can see the Costco, we can see all other shopping places near to our home.
Or restaurants.
And all the restaurants, so yeah. So this is a very good walking, and we are almost near, so we should be walking so cool, right?
Yeah.
Come on. And as Abhay said, it would take 2 hours. We are like 1 hour and 20 minutes roughly, 20 minutes. So hopefully by the time we reach there, it will be like 2 hours. Let's go fast, Abhay. I don't understand why they have these kind of things. Do you know? Is it to slow down the bike that people who walk? I don't know.
Probably.
I don't know why they have done all that. After a few more minutes of walking, we almost covered this 10-17. So we reached this spot. This is the trail ends at Tower, and we want to go to this spot. This is the ocean view. So we will touch the ocean view. You might have heard in our past videos about ocean view, because when we start in Irish Hills, we always go through the ocean view and we come to a spot there, sit there for some time and enjoy, and then go back. So we are now going towards the ocean view. So this is the direction towards the ocean view, and this is the direction to the trail end. We are not going that way, we are going through the ocean view, and this is the spot where we come towards the ocean view. Want to show that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is very good. We never, I don't know, do you feel I am tired?
You look tired.
I look tired?
Yeah.
Oh,
All
really?
sweaty and everything.
Yeah, obviously, yeah, it's sunny.
I'm not sweaty at all.
Because anyway, it was good. Yeah, let's complete. Let's go. But sweating is not
A bad thing?
No. Sweating is not what to say. It doesn't say that you are tired or not. Does my face feel tired?
No.
That's what. So sweating is some people may sweat more, some people may sweat less. Depends.
I'm a sweater.
Huh?
I'm a sweaty guy.
You?
Yeah.
That
I'm
means
just
you
not. I'm
you
just
are
not
not
wearing.
done. I saw you like from the beginning. You are like walking like this, but I am like but I'm so tired. But you are like casually walking. I don't know why. Huh?
I have more endurance than you.
What is that?
I have more endurance than you. Yeah. You're old.
I am old.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hi. So we have reached this spot. On the way a little further from the previous video, we came to a spot where it had a beautiful board where it shows the directions of where we are and what is the next trail to go, where to go, and things like that. So we are here. We came through the Johnson's Trail, this spot. We touched this spot, and then we walked to this spot. This is the spot where we are now. Now we are supposed to go through this trail. We last time there is a video that we have shown where we walked all these crisscross trails. We reached this spot and went back. So we are now here. We'll walk a little bit further to reach this spot, and we'll walk through this and reach here. There was a video that we did where we took this route to go to the Irish Hills, but we will now take this route and reach Irish Hills. This area is like little bit shady, so it will be nice to walk and easy and cool. And so we will reach here into Irish Hills, and then we will walk on the road and we will reach home. So that is the plan. If you want, we can go through these and we can do a lot of trials here. There are a lot of trials here uphill in the mountain, but we are now going this way. We have almost covered 1.5 hours and almost 3.2 miles. We have covered 3.2 miles now. So hopefully like in another 1.5 miles we'll reach back. So I think roughly it will be like 5 miles. So I'll let you know what is the distance that we have covered once we reach at the end. Okay, let's go. And this is the direction that we told. There are a lot of trials here. There are a lot of trials on these areas, but we will go to these to complete our today's plan. Today we wanted to cover these and take us back to Irish Hills. So we are going to take this route and we will try to complete these trials. So we have reached next spot. This is the spot. Most of the time we come here, we sit somewhere here, or we come to this spot, and this is a spot where we can reach, and we can take this route. This is the route where it takes down to the Irish Hills. We can also go through this way. We have tried this previously. This will cover this mountain and go back to the Irish Hills. And this route will take us through the shades and take us to the Irish Hills. So we are going now to this route because we have already covered a lot. We don't want to go more on the sunny area. So we will try this one. There's a trial in between, the zigzag trial here, which will take us to the top. So we could have come through that as well, but it was lengthier than what we did. This is a straight trial down, and we can take this. Sometimes it will become still it will be very cool and still relax ourselves so that we can finally end this trial. So that is why we are taking this route. From here you can see the Costco parking lot and all those areas very clearly. So we have covered the mountain up, walked to that area, and we have reached this spot. This spot is mainly the spot near to Irish Hills. You see here, this is the direction towards the ocean view, and this is the Froome Creek connector. This is also the Froome Creek connector which will take us up the hill. So we are going through this way to complete our trial. This will take us to Irish Hills. No, not to Irish Hills. It will take us to the Costco bike jump place. So let us go fast, and we'll conclude here with the video once we reach there. Let's walk fast a bit. We have covered roughly, it is 10:52. It is like we started at around 8:51. It is 10:52 now. So we have covered almost 2 hours. So I would say, Abhay, you said it. You said the right thing. It is 2 hours, and it was really good. And we didn't take much of rest in between, very little, and we were able to easily cover this trial. So we met a lot of people walking on the Johnson's Ranch. We saw people walking on the Johnson's Ranch trail. We didn't see much people walking from Johnson's Ranch to the Irish Hills, but we saw people doing their biking on the trail. That will reach, and this is just behind the Costco, and we will be walking down this spot to reach Costco. So this is the place where Abhay used to do his biking on these jumps. So we will be reaching this spot. So we will conclude our trial once we reach there. So that's our spot for our today's trial. If you take that route up, we can go to the Irish Hills trial end. But we are not going that way. We are trying to take this route, go through the road near to Irish Hills, near to Navy. And we will go on the road back to our home. That's what we are trying to do today. Okay, so we are almost done. We are in the spot where Abhay comes here for his biking. This is the spot where we would want to conclude today. So this is Costco. So we are behind the Costco shop. So we are here. So we'll conclude here today. So today we had a very good hiking from Johnson's Ranch. We got dropped at Johnson's Ranch. We climbed that trail. We got out of Johnson's Ranch to the Irish Hills trail, and from the Irish Hills trail we came back to this spot, and we took almost 2 hours to complete the trail. Today the temperature was 63 degrees, and we covered 4.3 miles today to complete our trail. It was like 2 hours roughly to complete the whole trail. So it was very good trial. I really doubt it is for kids below 12 because it will be really hard for them. but Abhay is not agreeing to what I am saying, because it was too long for kids to walk, and I don't think so. It will be it's a good trial for a elder person. It will be so because it will be too tough and also sunny. So I'm just giving an information because if anybody is trying this, they have to think before they start. It was very good to walk on these trails. It was there were sunny areas, there were shady areas, so we were not that tired during the whole walking trail. It was good. We enjoyed walking, and I love people to come here and enjoy their walking as well. We liked this trail. I hope you enjoy watching this watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. And if you have any comments to how to improve the walking on these videos, and also any comments on the videos, you can let us know. I'm not a good specialist on editing the videos, so I'll try my best. So please put your comments and be happy, be safe, enjoy, and be always happy. Thank you very much.